Hello everyone, PS from PS Invest Plays here today. Over the past 18 months, Microsoft stock has been on a tear, giving more than 120% profits. But it has shed 7% in the last couple of weeks. Has the stock peaked? Or can we expect higher stock price in 2021 and beyond? In this video, we will understand its business, its financials, its future outlook, and review its charts using Elliott Wave to see how we can make money. So stick around, I think you'll like what I have in store for you today. Microsoft, ticker MSFT. Microsoft Corporation is an American multinational technology corporation which produces computer software, consumer electronics, personal computers, and related services. Its best-known software products are the Microsoft Windows line of operating systems, the Microsoft Office suite, and the Internet Explorer and Edge web browsers. Its flagship hardware products are the Xbox video game consoles and the Microsoft Surface lineup of touchscreen personal computers. Microsoft is ranked number 21 in the 2020 Fortune 500 rankings of the largest United States corporations by total revenue. Microsoft is an outstanding company. It has been and remains a quintessential of an enterprise in the software industry. Consider the following. During the past 10 years, Microsoft has grown revenues by 10% annually. Sales growth has accelerated to 14.3% for the past 5 years. EPS has grown by 26.8% during the past 5 years and an amazing 55.8% during the past 3 years. FCF, or free cash flow, has grown by 17.5% during the past 5 years. It has routinely sported ROE percent in the 40s and ROA percent above 15%. It has gross margins of 65%, operating margins of 32 to 42%, and net margins of 15 to 36%. Long-term debt and capital lease obligations sit at 17% of total assets. Microsoft has at least 8 strong competitive advantages or moats. Number 1 is ecosystem. Emerging and evolving ecosystem of Internet as a Service, IaaS, and Software as a Service, SaaS, product offerings that entice enterprises and consumers. It has a 9 out of 10 moat, with 10 being the maximum moat a company can have. Differentiator products and switching costs. Again, it has a 9 out of 10 moat. Its products are not commodities and possess high quality that either matches or beats that of competitors. Network effect. It has 8 out of 10 moat in this category. Windows operating system controls 73%, Office 365 88%, Azure or public cloud 22%, Xbox 48% of the global market share. Brand and vision. Dedicated management and employees. Filing of patents. In 2020, Microsoft ranked number 8 with 2,972 patents in force issued globally. Consistent research and development. Economies of scale. 7 of Microsoft's targeted industry CAGRs range from 9 to 19%, with the company's leadership position likely allowing it to grow at an above average rate compared to the competition. Productivity management software is projected to grow at 14.2% until 2028. Business SaaS market is projected to grow at 11.3% until 2028. Cloud computing market is projected to grow at 19.1% until 2028. personal computing market is projected to grow at 8.5% until 2025. Cybersecurity market is projected to grow at 10.9% until 2028. Social networking market, LinkedIn primarily, is projected to grow at 18% until 2025. And finally, enterprise software market is projected to grow at 8.74% until 2028. Looking at the financials for Microsoft, revenue, gross profit, EBITDA, net income, EPS, earnings per share are extremely strong. If you discount 2020 and compare 2021 financials with 2019, they have increased by a very good clip. Microsoft dividend for its common shares now stands at 62 cents per share quarterly, or $2.48 per year. At its current price, that amounts to a cash return of 80.83%. To put the payout into perspective, the average dividend yield for the S&P 500 is 1.3%. Microsoft has been paying dividends since 2003 and is also increasing them yearly. It did not cut its dividend in 2020. Instead, it increased it, which is remarkable. In the chart on the right, free cash flow, FCF, currently stands at $7.38 per share. The current price to FCF ratio is in line with historical averages. In the chart on the left, price to earnings ratio, PE, currently stands at 36.2. The PE ratio is steady and EPS is increasing quarter over quarter. Even after being on a tear over the last 12 months, Microsoft stock is fairly valued. For a company of Microsoft's quality and armed with an understanding of the indelible competitive advantages possessed by the business, I see no reason not to initiate a position. All in all, the future for the stock appears bright. This is also indicative in the charts where I see the stock price to increase considerably in the next 4 to 6 years. Now, let's look at the charts for Microsoft. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell icon so you're notified when I upload a new video. Looking at the charts for Microsoft, the bull wave that started way back in 2009 is still not over. It has completed its first 2 waves, and currently it is in its strongest bull wave, which is wave 3. If we look deeper in this wave, we can see that it has completed its first 4 waves and now it is in its final leg up, which is wave 5. If we look deeper again in wave 5, we can see that it has completed its first 2 waves and now it is again in its strongest bull wave, which is wave 3. I expect this bull wave to get over at $373.53. After this bull wave is completed, there should be a retracement of 38.2%, bringing the price down to $312. After this retracement is completed, I expect a final leg up to bring the price to $412.69, which would be a 161.8% retracement of wave 4. After this price target, I expect Supercycle wave 3 to get completed, and at this price I expect again a pullback of 38.2% retracement of wave 3, bringing the price down to $320. After this retracement is completed, I expect wave 5 to resume, which is an inverse 161.8% retracement of wave 4, giving us a final price target of $592.51, which translates into a 108% profit in the next 4 to 6 years. Now, let's summarize. The current stock price of Microsoft is an excellent entry point. Nibble any pullbacks and accumulate any corrections, and hold them for the next 4 to 6 years, as I expect a price target of $592.51 in the next 4 to 6 years. which translates into a 108% profit. And the icing on the cake is that Microsoft pays $2.48 per year as dividend, which translates into 0.83% of the stock price. What do you think of this analysis? Please leave me a comment and let me know. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell icon so you're notified when I upload a new video. Until then, bye-bye.